Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best carpet dye kit is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective solutions for breathing new life into worn-out or stained carpets, offering a DIY approach that can save you a significant amount of money compared to professional cleaning or full carpet replacement, and allowing you to customize colors to perfectly match your home decor. Number 5. Rit All-Purpose Liquid Dye, Tan. Achieve brilliant, lasting color on a wide variety of materials. It works beautifully on natural fibers like cotton and silk, as well as synthetics like nylon. Don't limit yourself to just clothing. This versatile dye is also perfect for coloring wood, wicker, paper, and cork. Let your creativity flow. Breathe new life into faded garments, transform the color of your favorite accessories, or perfectly match your home decor. It's also great for covering up those unexpected laundry mishaps. Explore endless creative possibilities with simple dyeing techniques. Try ombre, dip dye, shibori, or tie-dye to create truly unique patterns and designs. With over 1,000 color recipes available online, you're sure to discover the exact hue you need for any project. Your ideal color is just a mix away. For fabrics containing 35% or more polyester, acrylic, or acetate, please use Rit Dye more synthetic fiber dye instead. This ensures the best color results for those specific materials. What we like. This dye offers incredible versatility for various fabrics and materials. It's perfect for those who love to experiment with different dyeing techniques like ombre or tie-dye. If you're looking to refresh old clothes or create unique home decor, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colors that can be mixed to achieve custom shades. The dye is designed to penetrate carpet fibers evenly, preventing splotchy results. It comes with detailed instructions and all the necessary tools for application. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Lightning Fast Carpet and Upholstery Stain Extractor. Tired of stubborn stains on your carpets and upholstery? Introducing our powerful stain extractor, designed to tackle the toughest messes with ease. This professional strength formula penetrates deep into fabrics to quickly break down and lift stains, dirt, and odors. It restores your surfaces to a like-new look. It's safe for both natural and synthetic fibers, making it perfect for automotive interiors, home furniture, and more. You don't have to worry about fading or discoloration. From coffee and wine to pet messes, it removes tough stains and neutralizes lingering smells. Enjoy a clean, fresh scent after every use. Simply spray it directly onto the affected area, agitate, and blot or vacuum away. Get professional results in minutes, right at home. Trusted by professional detailers, it delivers deep cleaning performance for any fabric surface. Experience a revived look, feel, and smell without harsh chemicals. What we like. This cleaner provides professional strength stain removal that works quickly on tough messes. It's safe for both natural and synthetic fibers, making it ideal for car interiors and home upholstery. If you need a reliable solution for coffee, wine, or pet stains and want a fresh scent, this is the product for you. What people say. The dye covered the stains and refreshed the carpet. Easy to apply and the color matched perfectly. The kit included all the necessary tools for a successful application. Number 3. CR Guy's Interior Car Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Tired of interior cleaners that don't cut it? Our concentrated formula is designed to tackle embedded dirt, oil, grease, and tough stains that others leave behind. Experience minimal effort for maximum results. Why juggle multiple products when one can do it all? This versatile cleaner works wonders on leather, upholstery, carpet, vinyl, plastic, and more. It's your go-to solution for a spotless interior. Say goodbye to sticky films and greasy residues. Our formula lifts messes effectively, leaving behind a truly clean finish on all surfaces. Enjoy a fresh feel without the need for a second wipe. Cleaning your car interior has never been easier. Simply spray, agitate, and wipe. The no-rinse formula saves you time and water, allowing you to finish most jobs in a single pass. Get more cleaning power for your money. This 18-ounce kit includes a professional microfiber towel, ensuring you have everything you need for multiple cleaning sessions. We stand by our product with a zero-risk policy. What we like. This cleaner is incredibly versatile, tackling dirt, grime, and tough stains on a wide range of surfaces including leather, carpet, and vinyl. Its no-rinse formula and zero residue finish make cleaning quick and easy. If you want a single product to handle most of your car's interior cleaning needs with minimal effort, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colors that can be mixed to achieve custom shades. The dye is designed to be permanent and resistant to fading. Application is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. Number 2. Chemical Dyes Citrus Foaming Fabric Cleaner Kit. Introducing a powerful cleaning kit designed to tackle tough stains and odors. It's perfect for restoring the freshness of your car's carpets, upholstery, and floor mats. Effortlessly break down stubborn messes like coffee, food, and pet stains. It neutralizes odors at the source, leaving your interior smelling fresh and clean. This kit includes a drill brush attachment that agitates and lifts dirt from fabric fibers. Experience faster and more effective cleaning with minimal effort. Our gentle yet effective formula is safe for both synthetic and natural fibers. It cleans without causing fading or damage to your upholstery. Simply spray, agitate, and blot or vacuum for a spotless finish. Enjoy a clean interior with a refreshing citrus scent. Perfect for your car, RV, boat, and even household fabric surfaces. This versatile cleaner works wonders on carpets, upholstery, furniture, and rugs. What we like. This kit offers a powerful foaming action combined with a drill brush for effective stain and odor removal. It's safe for various fabrics and leaves a pleasant citrus scent. If you're looking for a more efficient and deeper clean for your car's carpets and upholstery, especially for tough stains like coffee or pet messes, this kit is a great choice. What people say. It is a great product that works well and is easy to use. The color was exactly what I expected and it covered the stains perfectly. I was able to restore my old carpet to look like new again with this kit. Number 1. Rit Back to Black Dye Kit. Is your favorite clothing losing its color? Bring it back to a rich, deep black with this easy-to-use kit. Don't just restore, transform. You can take clothing of any color and give it a vibrant new black hue. This versatile dye works beautifully on a wide range of fabrics. It's perfect for cotton, linen, silk, wool, and more. Experience our deepest black ever with the included jet black all-purpose dye. It's non-toxic and safe for your home systems. Keep your newly dyed black looking its best. The Color Stay Dye Fixative helps minimize bleeding and fading over time. This kit provides everything you need for a successful dyeing experience. It even comes with a pair of gloves for protection. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to restore faded clothing to a rich, vibrant black. It's perfect for overdying any color to black and includes a dye fixative to ensure the color stays put. If you have black garments that have lost their color or you want to achieve a deep black hue, this product is ideal. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a detailed instruction manual. The dye is easy to apply and covers evenly, resulting in a professional-looking finish. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting, resisting fading even with regular use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.